P3 black variant. Download extra app to get more options. 15 hours playtime, Bluetooth 5.0, fast charging, 35 output power. Let's unbox it. Just slide the box open. We got this. USB-C to style, and this is just plastic. Let's turn it on and do a sound test. Got some copyright-free music. It's about 60. E3 6. Let's try Xtreme 2 max volume. Bass is a little bit better on the Xtreme 2, but the clarity of the P3 is just more clear, more full, and the bass is more balanced. Just JBL, just buy that for the bass. That was the video. Please like and subscribe, and I see you next time.